Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to learn the chapter triangles. Sir has done up to third exercise. Now we are going to continue the triangles chapter. Okay. Still now you have learned only equalities of a triangle. Like, see here, similar ASA triangle, side triangle. Okay. If three sides are equal, okay, like this you have learned means equality. One side, one angle, one another side are equal. Like this you have learned equality of a triangle. Means by comparing the equality like congruency. By comparing the equality you have derived and proved the triangles are equal, the triangles are congruent, the triangles are similar. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to now we are learning inequalities of a triangle. Inequalities of a triangle. What is meant by inequalities of a triangle? Unequal. Like see here, line AB is less than line CD, which is an inequality. Line AB is less than CD, which is an inequality. Which is an inequality. Angle A is less than angle B. Angle A is less than angle B. This is also unequal. This is also unequal. If I change AB and CD values, this becomes AB is which is longer side here greater than CD. AB is greater than CD. Okay. This is called unequal sides and unequal angles. Still now you have learned equal sides and equal angles. A formula and side angle side rule. Side SSS, SKS, AAA. Okay. You have learned all these rules, but here all are unequal. Like sides, angles will be unequal. Next, what we have to prove? We will, while solving the problems, we will come to know. Now, before that, we have to learn three theorems. Come to page number 103. In that, theorem 5.6. Theorem 5.6. What is the given is, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to the longer side is greater. Don't take larger because larger becomes confusing. So I am taking greater. Greater angle, longer side. Greater angle, longer side. Greater angle, longer side. Just remember these two words. Greater angle, longer side. See here. What is the given? If two sides of a triangle are unequal, any two sides. See here. I am taking a triangle. This is of 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. ABC. If two sides means AB and BC. AB and BC are unequal. If two sides of a triangle are unequal means not equal, everything it comes. Are unequal, then what happens? The angle opposite to the longer side is greater. Which is the longest side here? AC is the longest side. Okay, AC is the longest side. If AB and BC are unequal, the angle opposite to the longer side. The angle opposite to the longer side is angle B. Angle B is greater. See here, which is the greater angle? B is the greater angle. Suppose this is 40. This is 50. This will be how much? 100. Okay. Which is the longest side here? Sorry, longest angle. Greater angle is 100. longest side. Okay, what is the given condition or given what is this theorem says? If these two sides are unequal, then the angle opposite to the longest side will be greater. The angle opposite to the longest side will be greater angle. Greater angle means which is the large angle. Got this? This is the theorem 5.6 says. 5.7 is converse of this. If B is greater, if B is greater means B is the greater angle, then AC is the largest side. Then AC is the longest side or largest side. Anyone you can tell. If B is the greater angle, then AC is the longest side. This is the converse of 5.6. Next 5.7 is there, no? That is converse of this theorem. Means reverse of this theorem. What is 5.6 says? AB and BC are unequal. There is another side. Three sides are there for a triangle. If AC is the longest side, then B is the greater angle. If AC is the longest side, the angle opposite to this angle is greater. Suppose I am writing this. Suppose I am writing a triangle like this, A, B, C. Which is the longest side here? BC is the longest side. Which is the greater angle? Obviously this angle, which is 90-degree angle. This will be 45, this will be 45. Either 45, 50, whatever you want. Okay, 90, 40, 90, 180. Sorry, this will be, take it. And this is also 40. 50, 40, then it will be 90. Okay. The angle opposite to the longest side will be greater angle. Here 50, 40, 90. Which is the greatest one? 90 is the greatest one. Here 40, 40, 100. Which is the greatest one? B is the greatest one. This is theorem 5.6 says. Next. This is converse of this. I have already said theorem 5.7. In a triangle, in any triangle, the longer side the side opposite to the greater angle is longer. The side opposite to the greater angle is longer. Means the reverse of 5.6. If there is a triangle ABC, I am writing here. If there is a triangle ABC, in any triangle, the side opposite to the greater angle. This is the side opposite to the greater angle, which is the longest side. See, just remember one thing. Side is there. If it is the longest side, this will be the greater angle. If this is the greater angle, then this will be the longest side. Only 2 points you have to remember in these two. If it is longest, this is greater. This is greater, this is the longest side. Clear? Okay. Next. Just remember these two. This is greater, this is longer. Longer, greater.